hi.
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 Today we are going to make beef biryani, a very tasty one and easy one. For that we need beef. This is 1 kg beef and onion. Onion I have taken almost 800 gram onion
Gram.
and half of it I have salt and half I have deep fried. And the oil I have taken is sunflower oil. We need lemon juice of 1.5 lemon, tomato medium size around 6 numbers, salt, garlic, that is crushed garlic. I haven't made it into a paste. Crushed garlic, ginger also, that is also stranded, crushed and stranded ginger. These are according to your taste. Green chilli, that is 4 big green chilli. Pudina leaves. I have no coriander leaves, so I am not using coriander leaves. And we need 3 cups of rice and 5 cups of boiled hot water. I am taking a cooker, adding oil into that. Now I am adding this salt, onion, and then ginger and garlic. Mix well and cook the onion and garlic well in that. Meanwhile, in another plate, I am adding oil and I am adding all these spices, pepper, I have added, then cinnamon, anise, cardamom, cloves and bay leaves. That also I will cook well. I will cook. Yeah, you can see here the sound of pepper splashing. And here the ginger, garlic and onion is almost cooked. Into that we will add little salt, green chilli,
Pudina.
Pudina not now. This again we will salt. And then we will add
Chicken.
no, this is beef.
Beef.
So we will add beef. Now our rice, to make our rice, that is almost done, our spices are done. So I am going to add
Rice.
rice.
What is the sound?
Yeah, see the sound.
Sound.
Just we will fry for few minutes. No need of frying that. We will add some salt into that. We have added salt. And I am now adding the lemon juice of 1.5 lemon. Let this fry. Meanwhile, let us add some powder. This is garam masala powder. That is little of chili powder. And that is pepper powder. I have added that, and I will mix everything. And also this sliced tomato. We have to cut the tomatoes like this, and I will add that. Now I will close the lid, cooker lid, put the weight and allow for 3 whistles. After 3 whistles, I will mix everything and again cook for 10 minutes in sim. Our rice is almost done. I will add hot water, that is boiled water. I have added water. I have taken 3 cups of rice, so I have added 6 cups of water and will cook closing the lid. And once this is cooked and this one also is cooked, I will dum it. Let us wait for getting this cooked. So now we will open and see how our rice is. The rice is cooked very well and there is no trace of water, and because we added lemon, it doesn't stick. And look at, I have opened the beef. This is nicely cooked. That good taste of beef is coming. And now I am putting off the flame, and the next thing is to layer. If you want, you can layer it in the cooker itself, but my cooker is very small, so I am layering it in this rice cooker. I am adding rice. Over that I will add the fried onion and little of mint. Again I will add little rice. Over that we will add our cooked beef. Again over that we can add the rice. Over that our onion, mint. In case you want ghee, you can add little ghee also, but I am not using any ghee. Again our beef. Again rice. If you want to garnish with raisins and nuts, you can do that, but I am not using that. And coriander leaves also you can add if you want, but I do not have coriander leaves now. Now I will close the lid and keep it in cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take it out and eat with, I have made lemon pickle. So we will eat with lemon pickle and we will have a very good beef biryani. So our beef biryani is ready. Very good smell. Yokita, smell it. How is it?
It's very good. It's
Very good.
very good.
And we have our lemon pickle also to go with that. So our beef biryani and lemon pickle. Enjoy.